Hey travelers and English learners! Today, we're setting off on an exciting adventure. And along the way, we'll pick up 10 useful travel-related phrasal verbs and idioms. An unexpected journey. Last summer, my friend Mia and I decided to set off early in the morning for our road trip across the country. We had mapped out our route carefully, planning to visit famous landmarks, cozy towns, and hidden gems. On the first day, our GPS gave out halfway to the mountains. We had no choice but to figure out the way ourselves, old-school style with paper maps. After driving for hours, we ran into a small festival in a charming village. Colorful stalls, local food, and music. It was a lucky accident. We decided to soak up the atmosphere, chatting with locals and trying every delicious dish we could find. Later that evening, Mia suggested we check into a nearby guest house. But guess what? It was fully booked. We had to hit the road again and finally found a cozy little inn by a lake. The next morning, as we sat by the water, sipping coffee, Mia smiled and said, "You know, sometimes the best trips happen when you go with the flow." I couldn't agree more. Now, let's review the new expressions from the story. To reinforce your learning, read each term aloud at least twice and revisit them later for better retention. 1. Set off. Meaning, to start a journey. Example, we set off early to avoid traffic. 2. Map out. Meaning, to plan carefully. Example, we mapped out our trip before leaving. 3. Give out. Meaning, to stop working. Example, my phone gave out after 10 hours without charging. 4. Figure out. Meaning, to solve or understand something. Example, we figured out the best route using a map. 5. Run into. Meaning, to meet unexpectedly or discover by chance. Example, we ran into a beautiful festival. 6. Soak up. Meaning, to enjoy and absorb something fully. Example, we soaked up the atmosphere of the village fair. 7. Check into, meaning, to register and get a room at a hotel. Example, we checked into a cozy inn near the beach. 8. Hit the road. Meaning, to start traveling, especially by car. Example, after breakfast, we hit the road again. 9. Go with the flow. Meaning, to accept things as they happen without trying to control everything. Example, sometimes it's better to go with the flow and enjoy the adventure. 10. Hidden gem. Meaning, a place that is amazing but not well known. Example, that tiny lakeside town was a hidden gem. Which new word did you like the most? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more real-life English lessons.